Morning everyone. So today we'll be starting exercise 11. Okay, so we'll come to question number 1, that is construct a quadrilateral ABCD having given AB 5 cm, BC 3 cm, CD 2.5, DA 5.7 and BD as 4.5 cm, and you need to measure the length of AC. Okay, so first you draw a rough diagram. So this is the rough diagram in which AB is given, BC, CD and DA, and the length of one diagonal is given as 4.5. So here we go. First we'll be making the triangle. Okay, first we'll be making this triangle and then we'll be proceeding on to this triangle. Okay, so first you take a length of 5 cm and the base as AB. Okay, name it as AB. Then we take from A, we take from this point A, we take an arc of 5.5 cm over D. Is that clear? And then from B we take an arc of 4.5 centimeter and we cut it over here on this point D. Okay, so this is the triangle we'll be making first. Okay, that is 5.5, 4.5 and this has 5 centimeter. Now DC length is given 2.5. DC length is given 2.5. Okay, DC length is given 2.5. So DC length will be taking an arc of 2.5 and cut it over here and name the point as C. Okay, where B, C will be joining. That is, from here we'll be taking an arc of 2.5 and from this B point we'll be taking an arc of 3 centimeter. Okay, where it will be joining, name that angle as C. So this is the first construction. We come to the next question, that is construct a quadrilateral ABCD having given AB is given, BC is given, CD is given and angle B and angle C is given. So see here angle B and angle C is given. That means we'll be trying to take angle B and angle C as the base. Okay, so we'll be taking BC as the base. Is that clear? Now see, we take BC as the base, that is 5.3 centimeter given. Okay, angle B is 135 and angle C is 60 degree. Angle B is 135 and angle C is 60 degree, and this length of AB is given as 2.5 and length of CD is given as 6.2 centimeter. So what we have to do is that we will take BC as the base. Okay, now we'll take a BC as the base as length 5.3 centimeter. Now angle B is 135. 135 is the bisector of 90 and 120. Sorry, 90 and 180. Okay, so 135 will be taking the bisector of 90 and 180. So construct a 90 degree and then this is 180, this is 60, 120 and 180. Okay, now 180 and 90 bisector will get this angle as 135. Okay, 60 degree. We'll be taking it from this 60 will be taking this side. Why? Which side is the length? That side will take the angle. Okay, so 5.3, 60. Now produce these two lines. Then DC is given as how much? 6.2 centimeter, right? So take an arc of 6.2 and cut it over from this point C, and angle B is given 135 and the length of AB is given as 2.5. So take an arc of 2.5 and cut it from angle B. Okay, now these are the 2 points. Just join this point, name it as A and D. So this is A, B, C and D. This is the required figure. Now we come to question number 4. Okay, construct a quadrilateral PQRS having given angle P, angle Q is given. So here again angle P and angle Q is given. That means we'll be taking PQ as the base. Okay, if we take as the base, it will be easier for us. Now PQ's length is given 8.5, PS 5.5 and QRS 6.5 centimeter. Now you have to measure whatever is there, you measure it on your own. Okay, so question number 4, see, we'll be taking PQ as the base, 8.5 centimeter. Okay, then we'll be taking this angle P as 60 degree and angle Q as 60 degree. Now this PS is given as 5.5 centimeter. So take an arc from P length 5.5 and cut it over here. Okay, and take an arc of 6.5 and cut it from angle Q this way. Okay, now this is length is 6.5, this length is 5.5. Join S and R. Okay, just join this point. That is your quadrilateral PQRS, where P is 60, Q is 60 and the lengths are given, that is 5.5, 6.5 and 8.5 centimeter. Is that clear? So this is the quadrilateral. Now as homework, you do question number 3, question number 5, 6 and 7 on your own. Okay, all are of same process. Just do it. Okay, thank you.